purchased this porter cable compressor about a month ago now, and I've used it on a couple jobs. I trimmed out home and did some texture with it with a hopper gun, and I used to use a rigid compressor, which was pretty nice. I had it for a long time and it finally died on me, and so I had to make a choice. So I purchased a pancake compressor Bostage, and it could not do, I mean, it held up pretty nicely for about a year, and then the bearings fell out of it. So I overused it quite a bit. I framed with it and all kinds of stuff. It did okay. I like the compressor. I just changed the bearings on it and still have it for a backup compressor. But here is this porter cable, and so far I like it. It's heavy, that's the only bad part, but it does keep up. It kept up with the hopper gun. It did nicely. It sprayed nicely. It pumps fast, and let's see. I'm going to drain out all the air out of it. Okay, no air. Let's see. How long will it take for it to pump up? About a minute or so. Not too bad. So so far I had good experience with this compressor, and I would recommend it to people because it's quick, it's fairly quiet, it pumps air pretty quickly, and it's important thing, it is fairly quiet. So